In this video, I'm going to be showing how to harvest masinette, or green crab roe, from live green crabs. That said, if there is anybody that is uneasy with watching a green crab being taken apart while it's alive, please end this video now. Otherwise, this is how the process is done. So we have here a green crab. This is probably an average size female green crab. I'm going to remove the carapace, and that's where we'll start to find some masinette. So that bright orange masinette, all of this good stuff right here, this is egg. So I'm going to be putting it into this container, and I'm going to get this out of a number of crabs, and I will be making something with it a bit later on. But this is how it's done. It's similar in some ways to removing uni from sea urchins. And you can see I got quite a bit of it here. There goes a claw. And so you know, the crab is actually not going to waste, because the remainder, there's going to be some down in here too. I'm going to get that out. Get that bit right there. There'll be some more in this other side of the crab. You can see it right there. I'm not going to, of course, be wasting anything from this crab. I'm going to utilize the entire thing. And with the remainder of these crabs, I'm actually going to be making some garum, or crab sauce. So I'll show that in another video, but this right here, this is how we get the green crab masinette, or roe, out. And this will be used in a dish that I make with green crab roe. So this is raw. This isn't cooked, by the way, yet. I will cook it. I'll remove that. And I will be making some pasta with it. So I will cook this with butter and a little bit of garlic. Shallot would work as well. Sometimes I put a little chive in there. It depends on what the season is, really. But in the springtime, this is when I find a lot of roe. That's one crab, and I probably got 24 of these. So when I'm done, I'll probably have, you know, about a quarter of this filled that will easily serve 4 to 6 people. And it has a very oceanic, benthic kind of flavor to it. It's not quite like crab. It is crab. It does taste like crab, but it tastes more like the ocean, I would say, than crab. It's not particularly salty, but it's just one of those things. If you're not familiar with it, it's hard to describe, but it's a deep oceanic flavor to this stuff, and it just goes excellent with pasta. But I'll show you how I do that in another video. Thank you for watching.